Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to buy groceries cheaper on this one app that allows you to buy groceries that is close to the sell by date or expiration date. If you would like $8 off your first order of $10 or more, I will show you how to enter in my referral code and you can get $8 for your first order. So on the app at the top left, you see that profile icon. So click on that. Now you are going to go down to rewards. So click on rewards. Okay, right here, you see that if you're entering this code TUNG3TB3D, you will get $8 towards your first purchase of $10 or more. Down at the bottom, you see redeem a code. So go to redeem a code and you're going to type in that code that I had mentioned earlier. You will get $8 and I will get $8, so we both win. So I'm going to blur parts of this map over, but as you can see, there are a couple locations that participate in utilizing FlashFood in my area. So I could click on any one of those shopping carts and just to view what type of food that they have that's close to the sell by date. So this is a good way to buy groceries a little bit cheaper. For me, I've just been utilizing this for like meat. If I see some really good deals on meat, I'll just go buy it and then put it in the freezer. So let's check out this first store that it has right here. I'm just going to click on these picture icons here. The first thing you want to do is click on the shopping cart and then click on the pictures. So I'm going to click on the pictures. And then here you could just see what they currently have in stock and what is going to be close to the sell by date. As you can see, for example, if I want to buy these organic avocados, they're normally priced at $6.99, but they're on sale for $3.49. If I wanted to buy these white mushrooms, they're usually priced at $2.79, but you could buy them for $1.39. And you can see the best by date or the sell by date. So the date that they say the food may begin to expire or they can't legally sell it at that point after that. So just taking a look, you see a couple different options. Right now, you're just only seeing produce, but previously I've been seeing like different types of meat and such on here. So you can even see if the store has a deli, you can see a couple of things that are close to the sell by date. And even right here, you can see a T-bone steak, I would assume. Yep, T-bone beef. So you can just click on it if you just want to see more. Another thing over here is we have some sausages. Their original price is $4.69. They are best by July 30th, so 2 days from now. They pretty much, you get these stuff for pretty much half off. You see some apples there, best by July 29th, which is tomorrow. You have some half and half organic, which is best by today. Down here, you see some yogurt, you see some cottage cheese, and some more cottage cheese. Yeah, just going back to continue to order. So I have my credit card linked to this, and that's how I check out. And I'm sure different stores have different ways of picking up the food. For my experience, when I went the other day, I just purchased something on this app, paid for it on the app, and then I traveled to the grocery store, and then I asked one of the cashiers, like, hey, how do I pick this up? And they just told me to go to customer service, tell them it is a FlashFood order, and then somebody there went to like a refrigerator, picked up the food that I had ordered after I told them my name, and they put it in a bag for me, and I was able to just walk out with the food. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are going to be checking out this app, and if you guys are able to find any good deals, let me know in the comment section below. I was able to get pork chops with a really good deal before, and something else, some sausages, I think. So yeah, definitely worth checking out, and it just updates as often as the grocery store updates. So be sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.